Okay, we're going to try a new webcam here. It's a Nexigo 4K webcam with remote N950P or N950P. Take your pick. The one I've got right now it's your basic Logitech with no bells or whistles or anything. And you can't zoom in or any of that. I wonder if they pay people extra to make these boxes so tight. It's pretty cool, actually. Okay, here's what you get inside, reminding Type C to Type C cable. It's under the blister, so we'll find it. But this is that's a regular USB to Type C. This is your security thing to cover up the front. Because I guess at one time they had people that were going into people's homes. They're not going into their home. Well, they were, but what they were doing is they were unlocking their webcams. Oh, there's the other cable. Type C to Type C. I like Type C's. Micro USBs. Those things end up tearing things up. And you get one solid, empty, whatever. And you get a nice remote. I wonder if it comes with, I'm seeing some plastic here, so and no batteries, but it takes AAA's. And I've got some AAA's on the way. And I've got some used AAA's. I'm sure I could find one that's, or two that are usable. But what we're going to do is we're going to go USB-C to regular USB. I think. That's what it looks like it's going to be. Okay. As you can see, you can see my little Logitech. We are going to I think what we're going to do is take this one I'm going to slide it in here for now, just temporary, before we get that going. I'm going to have to find a couple of AAAs. You just threw one at me. Looks like it's barely got any charges in those. So I am going to dig into another place and get right back at you.